The non vegetarians across the country can't thank the inventor of butter chicken enough. The vegetarians, on the other hand, echo similar sentiments about dal makhani. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's recipe is a delicious dal makhani. Let's get started.
As our first step to make the dal makhani, soak 1 cup of black urud dal and quarter cup of rajma for at least 5 to 6 hours. To make the makhani gravy, in a wide saucepan add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1.5 tablespoons of butter. We're adding the oil to prevent the butter from burning. Let the butter melt completely. Once the butter is melted completely, add bay leaves, cloves and cinnamon to the hot oil and butter. Make sure the oil and the butter is hot while adding these spices. As a base for the makhani gravy, we are going to add 5 to 6 ripe tomatoes and let the tomatoes cook in its own juices. Close and cook the tomatoes for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you check on these tomatoes and stir them well to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Mash up these tomatoes to further cook it well. The juiciness of tomatoes vary from place to place, and hence if you feel that your tomatoes are not juicy enough to cook in its own juices, add in some hot water and let it further cook in it. The tomatoes are perfectly cooked. We're now going to transfer it into a mixer jar and grind it into a fine puree. It's now time to enhance the flavors of the makhani gravy even more. To the same kadai, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, add red chili powder. You could adjust it according to your spice tolerance. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast the two masalas well in the butter until the raw flavor disappears. Once the masalas are well roasted, add ginger garlic paste and cook it well. Once the raw flavors of the masala and ginger garlic paste disappears, we are going to add the ground tomato puree and cook that well. Cook the makhani gravy for at least 5 to 10 minutes before we move on to the next step. Don't forget to salt your makhani gravy. You could also adjust your spice level at this point of time. It's now time to add the cooked rajma and the urud dal. Stir this well into your gravy and cook your makhani gravy for at least 20 to 25 minutes. The longer you cook your makhani gravy, the tastier it would be. We're now going to make a garlic tempering. For that, in a pan, add oil and add garlic. Saute the garlic in the oil well for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer this garlic tempering into the dal makhani and cook again for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Finish off your dal makhani with some crushed kasuri methi leaves. Your dal makhani is now ready to be served. You can have this with some hot garlic naan or even roti. You could also garnish your dal makhani with some cream if you please. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos.